awesome interweb peoples. I'm here again, Coach Jessica Coco, with another weekly inspiration video. And joining me today is Wesley. Hi, Wesley. Hi, Papa. How you doing today, buddy? Remember to subscribe below so that you can receive updates on these awesome inspirational videos. All right, so today we're going to talk about setbacks. Setbacks can be something small as getting a flat tire in your car, or maybe running out of toilet paper, or they can be colossal, like losing a job, or having someone break up with you, or even having some kind of friend problem like a disloyalty, or even being left out of something. So how you deal with setbacks make or break you. How you transition and get back into your higher self after a setback determines whether or not you are living in your inner badass or not. So today I have 5 steps for you to deal with setbacks in a quick, efficient manner so that you can step back up and be in your inner badass ASAP. Let's get started. Step 1. Be excited when the setback occurs. Be aware of your negative feelings and be excited, and change your perspective to one of, oh yes, this is a setback. This is something I can learn from. Means I am going to learn, and I'm one step closer to going towards my goal or being a badass at life. Step 2, journal about your setback in the perspective of being the student or of learning, having a growth mindset. Be gentle with yourself while you're journaling. What feelings or thinking patterns did you have that could have led to your setback? See what's going on there. Who do you need to forgive? Can you forgive yourself? Do you need to offer somebody an apology? What did you learn, and how can you fix the situation if you need to? If it even needs to be fixed. How can you surrender and let go of the situation? Step 3. Next step is to create a beautiful playlist of things that you have accomplished, or a beautiful file folder of things that you have accomplished, like if you graduated from college, or you did some kind of certification, or you just really kicked ass at one point in your life, or you're an awesome soccer player, awesome mountain biker, yogi chick like me. Step 4, create because I'm a badass playlist of music that you can play to get yourself back up into a higher self. Step 5, adapt the affirmation. I'm excited about my mistakes because that means I'm growing and I am closer to being successful and being in my inner badass. That's it. That's how you deal with setbacks. Until next time, hit subscribe below, and if you like what you see and you want to work with me, go to www.silverbulletcoaching.com and shoot me a message. Bye.